this car has what I consider to be the best system, and it's, if you've got internet access, or if you've got signal, Wi-Fi signal, or 5G, 4G, then it's perfect. It's second to none. Sometimes, if it loses signal, it can be a bit of a pain. But here we go. In here, this is just an ordinary charging lead. Click that open. In here, on the right-hand side, there's a USB plug. If I can just plug that in there like so. USB. It shows a phone and a screen. So that's what it's plugged into. That's what it's plugged into. So here we go, plug that in. Let me just see, I'm going to plug it in over here so you can see from that camera. A new Apple Car device has been connected. How should Apple CarPlay be started? Automatically, so select that. Some vehicle data may be sent to your iPhone to enhance the CarPlay experience. Mercedes-Benz as your vehicle brand, Mercedes-Benz is your vehicle brand, version number, blah, 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 decline and end. So we need to get down there. I mean, I don't even know down. You just wind it until you actually get decline and end or accept and start. So accept and start. Starting Apple CarPlay, CarPlay, that's it. Best system ever. You can do absolutely anything with this. You don't need to touch your phone. I'll just run through a couple of things. Over here, you'll see the maps. So that's the last used ones, but maps is there. So if I go over to maps there, you've got this lovely wide screen here. But the voice activation again, if I keep my finger on it for over a couple of seconds. Take me to McDonald's.
One possibility I see is McDonald's. Does that one sound good?
Yes, yes it does.
Getting directions to McDonald's.
You would have seen the go sign there. If you wanted to save yourself a couple of nanoseconds, you could have just touched it or selected it on here, but it does it automatically. So that's it. It's already navigated. I don't have to take my hands off the steering wheel. I don't have to do anything. If I want to send a text, again, I can either say, hey, SIRI, or click the voice activation for a couple of seconds. Send a text to Barrie.
What do you want to say to Barrie?
I'm just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. It's brilliant.
It says, I'm just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. It's brilliant. Send it.
Yes.
Done.
Now, it sent the message, and because I've sent it to myself, you will just see that a message has popped up on the screen here. You're driving along, you want to know what your messages are, you can't touch your phone. Again, a couple of seconds. Read messages.
Barrie sent a new message. I'm just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. It's brilliant. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Those are all your messages.
As I say, it's absolutely brilliant.